We're gonna do something for the real champ, pound for pound, Jon Jones. His birthday is July 19th. I love watching you fight. The worst part is I'm gonna be conflicted because you are fighting a Croatian, Stipe, and I love Stipe. The way I see it is how we say as Croatians, 50-50. You guys are gonna meet in the middle. You beat him, you're an honorary Croatian. So I'm gonna leave this aside for you, Jon. This is for my buddy Stipe. Oh, Gertie likes you. Gertie likes you. And I'm gonna make the Jon Jones birthday championship steak. I bought this, whatever they call it, Worcester or Worcester. I think it's great. And that nobody knows the name or can pronounce it. And then, this is great. This is my favorite steak sauce in all of probably the world, Joe Beef. I can't live without this stuff. So I'm gonna marinate for a quick. I'm gonna fry it in this. So it's not even really a marinade. And what I would put in the steak is a bit of ground pepper. And I'm gonna just cook a fast fry with this. I'm just gonna toss my own salad. This is what I would put in a champ steak salad. I would put a bit of a pear to sweeten it up with the blue cheese. I wanna get the pits out, which reminds me, I got thrown out of school because of a teacher named Nick Pitts. So what happened, I had twin sisters, they were pretty. They said the teacher was bugging them. But what happened was, it was Halloween. So I dress up, I still have the picture. I go to the school, I get a dozen eggs. So I go to the class. I know where my sisters are, but they don't tell me they're in the front row, the two of them. Boom, boom. So I get in the class. Pitts is standing there, hey, like this. So I grab the eggs, and my sisters are there, and I go, fuck you, Pitts. And I throw the eggs. Next thing you know, I'm leaving the school. They get the license plate. They said I stole a van and some CB radios. And then they're accusing me of all these things. I'm like, look, I just threw these eggs at the teacher. And that's my pit story. We're gonna turn this into a Waldorf salad. Another important thing is a beefsteak tomato. So this here is one of my favorite things in the house. It's a paring knife. So how you pare a tomato is simple. You get in and you get out. So, you know, and that's how Jon fights. He's in and he's out. He's in, he's out. So I would just cut them either like that or like this. I'm gonna do this thing up properly. I'm not gonna toss it too much. I'm just gonna make it like they did tableside the old days. There's a bit of a seasoning. We'll get that out. This is gonna be a piece of art. Nothing but the best Gorgonzola blue cheese. So this is at least a $100 salad. We're not gonna stop there. Sprinkle of lime. What I do, I go like that, because, you know, it's a champ. He's paying $100 for the salad. I mean, come on. Boom. Look at this beauty, guys. No bone in on this one. There's a bit of fat on the end I'm gonna get rid of. But this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna put the juice over here, and this is really gonna be nice. There's some fat here, so it's soaking up nice. But this, the feeling on my fingers, the moistness, the softness, it's just incredible. Like that this steak can be so nice and tender. It's great. So what I think I would do to put a cherry on top, I'm gonna mix it up with some Jamaican jerk. Happy birthday, Jon. Best of luck and successes to you and your family. Keep fighting the good fight. Stipe, I love you, but this is Jon's day. This is amazing. This is by far the best meal I've had on the show. Out of 16 meals, this is the best one, by far. The crunch from the walnut. Where's the pear? I haven't even talked about that. This is the way to go. So tasty, delicious. I mean, I invented something new, something crazy. I love it. This is the piece de resistance. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's been great. This is great, and it's great that you tuned in, and thanks for, making me feel better by allowing me to do these videos and share my experiences. Thank you.